Have you ever felt overwhelmed by market research? Market analysis feels daunting to many business owners. ChatGPT can help simplify it. Today, we'll learn how to harness ChatGPT. We'll reveal steps for analyzing trends, summarizing competitors, and generating valuable insights. First, access ChatGPT. Create an account on the platform. Once signed in, start a new conversation. You're ready for market research. Define the industry, audience, and key demographics. ChatGPT needs this information to provide accurate insights. Now, ask about current trends. Request a review of recent articles or reports. This will give you an understanding of market direction. ChatGPT will summarize key points and analyze competitors, including their business model, strengths, and weaknesses. ChatGPT will compare them and highlight differences within your market. Ask ChatGPT what strategies competitors are using successfully. Request summaries of reviews or feedback on competitor products. To put it simply, you're leveraging AI to simplify research. ChatGPT streamlines the process and makes data digestible. For example, let's say you're starting a coffee shop. Input your target demographics like students and professionals. Ask about coffee trends and local competitors. You'll receive tailored insights in minutes. As we wrap up, remember the key steps. Access ChatGPT, define your market, analyze trends, competitors, and generate insights. Using ChatGPT for market research saves time and effort. Start implementing it today to gain a competitive edge. In the next video we will discuss about data analysis with Excel and AMP, Google Sheets. Stay connected with us. Thank you.